If your triceps aren't growing, you're probably missing the most important part, the long head. This is the biggest portion of your triceps, and it's what gives your arms that thick, full look from the side. But here's the problem. Most people train triceps with pushdowns only, which barely hit the long head properly. To fully target the long head, you need overhead movements. Why? Because the long head crosses the shoulder joint, and it only gets fully stretched when your arms are raised overhead. That stretch is what leads to better muscle activation and growth. In this video, we're focusing on incline dumbbell overhead skull crushers, one of the most effective exercises for long head development. Start by setting an incline bench, around 30 to 45 degrees. Grab a pair of dumbbells and lie back with your arms extended above your head. From here, slowly lower the dumbbells behind your head, not towards your forehead. That's where most people mess up. They turn this into a chest or regular skull crusher. Keep your elbows stable and slightly tucked in. Don't let them flare out. As you lower the dumbbells, you should feel a deep stretch in your triceps, especially the long head. That stretch is exactly what you want. Now, from the bottom position, extend your arms back up by squeezing your triceps. Don't rush the movement. Control the weight on the way down and focus on a strong contraction at the top. You can perform this exercise using both dumbbells together or single-arm style. Using one dumbbell at a time helps improve mind-muscle connection and fix imbalances between arms. If one side is weaker, this is how you correct it. When using a single dumbbell, hold it with both hands or perform alternating reps. Just make sure your form stays strict. No swinging, no using momentum. A common mistake is going too heavy. This is not a power movement, it's a controlled isolation exercise. If your elbows are moving all over the place, the weight is too heavy, drop it and focus on form. Another mistake is cutting the range of motion short. If you're not getting a full stretch at the bottom and full extension at the top, you're leaving gains on the table. For best results, aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Keep the tempo controlled, about 2 seconds down, 1 second squeeze at the top. Also, don't ignore your setup. Your back should stay stable on the bench, core engaged and wrists neutral. Small details like this make a big difference over time. If your goal is bigger, fuller arms, you can't skip long head training. Add this movement to your routine and stay consistent. Results don't come from random workouts. They come from proper execution, consistency, and progression. Focus on the stretch, control every rep, and train with intention. That's how you build real muscle. Now apply this, and your triceps won't stay the same.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade